back to week 2 of our road trip. We woke up this morning for sunrise to do some stock filming for Ballito Junction. We had a beautiful morning and now we've just finished the surf here at Ballito. Yeah, let's see where we go next.
This morning we left Ballito heading inland towards this place called Albert Falls. We'll be camping right on this dam for the next 2 nights, and along our drive we hit our 1,000 kilometers of driving for this trip. We camped here at Albert Falls Dam and we thought we would show you around our campsite. Over here we have our 2011 Jimny. We built this platform just before we left to help us with packing. And then over here we've got our water. In here we usually slot our fridge, which is outside at the moment. And then down here we've got these 2 solar panels which we use for our lights at night. And then most nights we braai, otherwise we've got a gas cooker as an alternative. Outside here is our workstation as well as living area, and then we've got our 50-litre National Lunar fridge. Down here we've got food boxes as well as miscellaneous, which is just pots and mugs and things. And then our tent. Also our bedroom. And then the last purchase before our trip was our awning, since our last one got taken out by the winds in Port Alfred. So that was our stay at Albert Falls. We enjoyed it so much here that we even decided to stay an extra night, but we're busy packing up.
And we're going to be heading to Underberg next. We're going to be filming a wedding there. We might show you guys around. So yeah, see you guys in Underberg next.
decided to change our plans last minute.
And we have come to Silverstreams campsite, which is just deep into the mountains above Underberg and on the border of Lesotho.
We are expecting some very cold weather and hopefully some snow.
Minus degrees tonight. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one with maybe some snow. We'll see.
And don't forget to subscribe to follow us along.
Cheers.